Oi, oi, oi. สันติภาพและความรักสวัสดีครับ Don't you know what is this? Yes, this is what you call in Visayan word silly.
Wow!
Don't you know silly is came from the China?
Huh?
Yes, the originate of name in Bisaya word of silly is came from China, made by a Chinese person. The history of this word silly is one person angry in ancient times. One person is angry pointing a man named Lee. Okay? Then he angry. Silly. That's the history came from the word silly. Okay? And one time, one Filipino, Bisaya, hear that the point of the person angry holding or have a chili. That's why came from idea and back to the Philippines name si Lee. So remember, Lee is his surname. That's what you called. That's why si Lee came from. Now you know. Okay.